Welcome to KZ Mobile. In today's video, we'll be diving into the features, design, and performance of the Tecno Spark Go 1 2025. If you're looking for an affordable phone that delivers solid performance, stay tuned. Design and display. The Tecno Spark Go 1 2025 sports a modern and minimalistic design, featuring a 6.5-inch HD Plus display. With slim bezels and a waterdrop notch, it offers an immersive viewing experience, perfect for media consumption. The lightweight build ensures comfort in hand, making it ideal for everyday use. Performance. Powered by a quad-core processor, the Tecno Spark Go 1 2025 is designed to handle daily tasks like browsing, social media, and light gaming with ease. Paired with 2 GB of RAM, it ensures smooth performance for basic operations, making it a great budget-friendly choice for those who don't need heavy multitasking. Camera. The phone features a 13-megapixels dual-camera setup on the back, which takes clear and vibrant photos in good lighting. While it may not compete with flagship cameras, it does offer decent performance for its price. On the front, the 8-megapixel selfie camera captures sharp and well-lit selfies, perfect for social media. Battery life. Equipped with a 5000 mAh battery, the Tecno Spark Go 1 2025 delivers impressive longevity, allowing you to use the phone throughout the day without worrying about charging. This feature is a standout for budget devices, providing great value for the price. Software and features. Running on Android 12 Go Edition, the Tecno Spark Go 1 2025 offers a clean and optimized software experience. The Go Edition ensures that the phone runs efficiently despite its limited RAM and storage, making it a suitable choice for light users. Conclusion. The Tecno Spark Go 1 2025 is a great option for anyone on a budget, offering a balance of performance, design, and battery life. Whether you're looking for a first smartphone or just need a reliable backup, the Spark Go 1 delivers. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to KZ Mobile for more in-depth tech reviews.